In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export chat history on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're looking to save some important conversations or simply want to keep a backup of your exchanges, knowing how to efficiently export your chat history is essential. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can do this seamlessly. To begin, you'll need to sign in to the Microsoft Export page using your Microsoft account. It's crucial to ensure that you're logged in with the account that has access to the Teams chat history you wish to export. Once you're signed in, you'll be brought to a page where you can manage your export options. Here, you'll see a choice to download your chat history, media, or both. If you're interested in capturing the full essence of your conversations, you might want to select both. However, if you're only interested in the text exchanges, downloading just the chat history will suffice. Make your selection based on what best suits your needs. Once you've decided what to export, it's time to submit your request. Simply click on the option you've chosen, and the system will begin preparing your export. Now, it's important to understand that this process might take a bit of time. Depending on the volume of your chat history and media files, the preparation could take from a few minutes to several hours. Microsoft handles each export request with care, ensuring that all your data is accurately compiled and that nothing is left behind. During this waiting period, it's a good idea to check back periodically on the export page to monitor the status of your export request. The page will update as your request moves through the preparation stages. Be patient and allow Microsoft to handle the complexities of gathering your data. It's working behind the scenes to ensure everything is in order. Once your export is ready, you'll see an option to download your files. Simply click on the download button to retrieve your exported chat history. Make sure to save it in a secure location on your device, where you can easily access it later. Also, it might be prudent to back up these files to a cloud storage service or an external hard drive for additional security and ease of access in the future. And there you have it, a thorough step-by-step guide on how to export chat history from Microsoft Teams. By following these steps, you'll be able to preserve your important conversations and media files efficiently. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you with more tutorials in the future.